Look, let's face reality. For years, Raw provided us billions of rupees. Yes, billions. They assured me that our sole objective was destabilizing Pakistan. They made me convince young Baloch people that we were fighting for freedom. But truthfully, our purpose was entirely different. But now the situation has drastically changed. Modi is ignoring us. For the past several months, neither funds nor support have been coming. Perhaps he now wants to discard us. I've repeatedly tried contacting them, but no response. Our handlers won't even take my calls anymore. Where are those promises? Where is that support? I dedicated my entire life to this cause, to destabilize Pakistan. But now the very people who were using us have left us alone. Young lives lost, families destroyed, and what did we get in return? Absolutely nothing. Modi had promised me he would bring the Baloch cause to the global stage. But look at the reality now. We are labeled as terrorists internationally. In this entire game, Baloch youth suffered, while only India reaped the benefits. I have now realized clearly that Modi and Raw were never genuinely interested in our cause or our people. They were using us as mere tools. As soon as their interest shifted, they abandoned us. Today, we stand isolated, betrayed, and left to face the consequences alone.